You're gonna help me with the tomato plant?
Yeah, mom.
All right. So we're gonna water them now. What we're gonna do with them?
Water.
Water. You're gonna give them some water. All right. We're gonna tie up that tree because it's falling down. Welcome back to our channel, and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. I am Terry and Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. We have done 2 videos before on the benefits of planting seeds. Now, today we're going to share with you an update. So we're going to look at the progress and what has been happening with the seeds right up to the reaping. Now, this was a wonderful project. This was a project that Alex Xavier enjoyed. He really enjoyed this. He enjoys the outdoors on a normal basis. So anything to do with outdoor, Alex just likes to be on the outside in nature. So whether it's just running around, being in the water, just about anything, he just likes being on the outside. The process of planting these tomatoes and peppers and watching them grow, it provides a routine for him. It was very therapeutic at times because we find that when he was watering the plants, sometimes he was just humming his little song and singing along, and that was just beautiful to watch. During the process, he was able to pronounce tomato. So when we started having tomatoes popping out on the tree and that ripe one, he was able to say tomato. That was just so lovely. One of the things we realized again, he was following instructions throughout the process. He also had improvements on his gross motor skills. So we started out by giving him a small watering bottle where we add a little cap to give that rain shower effect of watering the plants so that you don't saturate the plant too much more than is needed. And he was able to use that. As time goes by, he demonstrated that he was able to manage and maneuver the bigger watering pan. So we gave him the bigger watering pan and he watered away, and he just enjoyed it. Now, we also had some social interaction coming about because as he cooperated with us, and you could see him assisting me with the cutting of the cords for tying up the tree when the tree fell one of the time. And I mean, that was just awesome. That was a good evening of interaction that we had there. And just seeing Alex following instruction as we tell him to do anything, he was able to cooperate. So in addition, we also had good practice on fine motor skills. As you realize, you will see him demonstrate the proper use of the scissors while he was cutting the cord for me to tie up that tomato tree. And guess what? The most beautiful part for me was the parent-child bonding. So we really got some good bonding time with this project because every evening we look forward to going out after work and watering the plants, watching them grow, pull up any little weed here and there. We didn't get to record all the sessions. And of course, there were some days when Alex just not up to it. And Daddy and I just have to take over and do what needed to be done. But for the most part, Alex was very much involved. He was very much in tune. And I like the fact that when we got to the end of it, Alex was picking the tomato. And when we saw Alex picked that first fruit, man, that was a sense of accomplishment for Alex Xavier. And it was just beautiful. So guess what? I'm going to share with you some clips of the journey of growing the tomatoes and the peppers. And we are going to also show you what our harvest look like. Stay tuned. We will be right back. These plants are growing so beautiful. I just love them. I'm so proud of this project. I really liked it. The tomatoes are looking really lovely and they are looking healthy as well. Where's the tomato, Alex? Show me the tomato. Tomato. Show me the tomato. Where's the tomato? Show me the tomato. Where's the tomato? Alex, that is it. Don't pick it. Tomato. What's the name? Tomato. They're getting big, right? Yeah, they look pretty. They look pretty, Alex? Yeah, you did a very good job. You did a very good job taking care of them, right, Alex? You're welcome. Put some water on the mint. Go down there. Pepper tree. Ooh, look at the pepper. Well, Alex, you have some nice big tomato there, man. Mhm. Ah, the pepper. Wow. Tomatoes are looking lovely. All right, this tree is toppling over. So we're gonna have to get this tree tied up. Yeah, tomatoes are looking lovely. Yes, Alex gardening project is coming on nicely. All right, so there's a lot on this limb. Yeah, and it's causing it to. You're gonna help me with the tomato plant?
Yeah, man.
All right, so we're gonna water them now. What we're gonna do with them?
Water.
Water. You're gonna give them some water. All right, we're gonna tie up that tree because it's falling down. Okay. All right, so ready?
No.
Ready. Okay. Alex, come here. Come on. Cut it for me. Cut it. Good boy. Put down the scissors here. Thank you. I'm going to tie up the tree, Alexander. So this won't fall down, okay? Come here, baby. Come on. You? Very good. All right, come. You want to come and water this one? So, as you see Alex here, watering away. And he's watering with such confidence. And he shows that he understood the assignment. Yeah, and he's delivering the assignment very well. Very good. This pepper might be breaking as well. I'm going to get a stick for the pepper. Pour some more in there. All right. Good boy. Take your time. Don't break it down. Very good. Come here, come here, come here. No, pour some on that one. Oops. And that one around there. Very good, Alexander. You are doing well. You did excellent. You did?
Excellent.
Very good. Come again. You did?
Excellent.
And these peppers, I am not sure what kind of pepper this is. It's not the regular Scotch bonnet pepper that we know. I tried to pull it up in my plant identifier, but all I got was just pepper. It didn't give me a specific name, but I know there is a name for this pepper. Go look at the ripe one. Go look one, the ripe one. See that one? It's red. It's red. Go. Yes, pick it up. Woo! Yeah, hold it up. Let me see. Hold it up. Wow, this is nice. It is. Let me see. Oh, beautiful. Alex, and the pepper tree is doing well. Look at those peppers. All right, we're gonna allow the peppers. Look at this one. This one is very big. All right, Alex, the pepper tree gone up in the tomato tree. This was indeed a wonderful project. So, parents, guess what? You can try one of these activities that helps with some bonding time with you and your child to help improve your social interaction. And you see speech therapy coming out there. We're getting Alexavier to pronounce tomato. It was a wonderful exercise. The bonding was good and the cooperation was just excellent from Alexavier. With this, I say thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.